Alright, so we're doing this question here, which is focusing on factorization. So be clear that factorization is just merely to change how an expression, like either one of these two, looks like into another form. Most of the time when you realize that you will have these brackets that you see around here. Okay, so factorization, just to re-emphasize, is just to change how something looks like. You are not solving for anything at all. So let's try the first one. 2x squared minus 15x minus 8. You might recognize that this is actually a quadratic expression. Okay, where you have x squared, x power 1 and x power 0 in the visible one here. So to actually factorize such a quadratic expression, let's recall, actually we're going to do it by the cross method. So first thing you got to do is actually place these terms in the respective places. The square term goes here, then the number goes here, and the last part you have negative 15x here. So anything within here is actually a multiplying effect, as shown by this big cross here. So what two numbers or what two terms multiply give me 2x squared? Here we have 2x multiplied by x. Simple. Next, negative 8. So you have to know that what are the factors of 8 in the first place? Simply 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. Okay, there are no other possibilities. So we take a look at the choice. We could put 1 and 8 here, or we could put 2 or 4. Now this is more challenging because this 2 actually multiplies to this number here to give you a result here. So you have to make a wise choice. Is it going to be 1, 8 or 2, 4? Okay, I hope you realize that actually what I have to choose is 1 and 8 first. Okay, how do I know? Without considering any of the signs here, I'm just going to multiply these two numbers. What do I get? I get a 16x here, and I get an x here. So is it possible for 16x and 1x to give me 15x? Well, yes, of course. In fact, I get a negative 15x, so that's why I know the negative sign is here, resulting like this. So positive 1 times negative 8 gives you negative 8, yep. And positive 1x added to negative 16x gives me negative 15x. So that's fine. So this is the correct factorization. So in other words, my brackets that you're very familiar with, I'll have 2x plus 1, followed by x minus 8. So there you have it, factorizing a quadratic expression using the cross method.